471 Fortissimo. We actually have another property just a couple of houses or a few houses down, and we're in escrow on another property I could walk to from here. The property manager is a big fan of cadence, and so far from what I've seen, this property looks pretty clean overall. So we do have an electronic doorknob that will need to be replaced with something normal. The walls have that new style for the upgraded properties, texture to it. Color's gray. The flooring is tile with dark grout. So lots of storage. Just to note, there's no garage door to the exterior. It's a pretty large water heater. Looks like we have a pan and earthquake straps. So if this door is rekeyed, only the deadbolt will be rekeyed. A downstairs bedroom. We have closet guides, closet rods, 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. So very little so far that needs to be done. No caulking required on this shower. Those are the correct light bulbs. Pantry. Everything's beautiful. Undermount, farm sink, gooseneck faucet, space saver microwave, stainless everything. Screen door on the back, no deadbolt. So this would not have to be rekeyed unless the property manager specifically asks for it. And this is only a deadbolt. Only the deadbolt has a keyhole. So right now we're looking at a new deadbolt on the front door, one rekey in the garage, and one rekey on the back door. This is really great as well, and of course people with pets would absolutely love it, but this suits fake grass. So we have rocks, patio cover. This is the south-facing backyard, so the patio cover is pretty much a necessity, and it's already in place. The condition of everything that I've seen so far has been good too. I'm not seeing any areas that need touch-up or anything like that. Okay, let's head upstairs. Really nice large loft area. We have the correct blinds. We have a fan with a light kit, large, spacious bathroom, no caulking needed or shower rod. Huge linen closet. Nice master closet. Undermount sinks, cabinets look great. Faucets and light fixtures look good. I don't see any rust. Another linen closet. Interesting fan. It doesn't, I don't know what's going on there. It doesn't have a light kit, but there's recessed lights throughout. We have closet guides, closet rod, light bulbs, light kit fan. Checking pretty much everything off the list. This shower does have a shower rod. So another thing checked off the list. Cabinets look great. Everything looks good. Whoops, sorry. Again, everything check, check. Laundry room. So you would want to have the appliances professionally installed because you don't want a tenant installing it themselves and causing some sort of leak. We have shelves and cabinets, blinds, tile. Really great.